Ayan, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Magandang gabi dyan sa Pilipinas. Ang panig man kayo ng mundo. Sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. This is Trunks. At it's just only a short video para sa araw na to. Pag-usapan na natin bigyan na natin ng reaction itong short video clips na kuha ng isang foreigner na ini-interview yung mga kababayan natin diyang Pilipino sa Netherlands, yung mga nagsipuntahan doon sa The Hague para magbigay ng suporta sa kanilang ah, dating presidenteng ah, Duterte, no. So, may mga ibang Pinoy din doon na nagpunta para to show support naman para sa mga biktima na nag-file ng reklamo. So, nakakatuwa lang kasi kahit sila they are confused, I think, no. Hindi ko alam kung are they supporting PRRD as a president, former president, or as a joker, as a comedian. Kahit sila hindi nila kung ano eh. No, but anyway, panoorin natin to.
He treat us Filipino as his children. That's why all of us, we call him Tatay Digong.
He didn't treat drug users as his children.
Yeah, he do. But only...
You shoot your own children?
No, of course not.
I personally had received death threats for speaking out against the government and specifically speaking out against these killings.
He admitted he wanted to kill 3 million drug users.
Yeah, he admitted, but it was joke. Tatay Digong is always making jokes.
Hitler massacred 3 million Jews. There's a 3 million drug addicts. I'd be happy to slaughter them.
So it's more of a comedian.
Yeah, he is. That's why we like him.
It's not funny. Lives were lost. Lives were lost. People, I know people who have been gunned down. They're literally eating outside, and they are not government officials, but they are ombudsmans or tanots. They're serving their communities, and they were gunned down.
Because they were activists, or because they were drug users, or?
They were alleged drug users, but there was no real proof.
But the government could basically plant drugs on anyone and say,
Well, that exactly.
He liked to joke. Yeah, he liked to joke. All that in joke. And it's not true.
I'd be happy to slaughter them.
To be honest, we can be different, you know? And you cannot... And you
I'm just curious to understand your worldview. I respect it.
I also respect it.
I'm not going to kill you.
No,
I'm not a Duterte.
No, I don't think so. Yeah.
Or do you have math on you? Because then...
No. That's...
Ayan, so napanood nyo yung short video clip niyan and well, kita nyo naman kung mga reaction ng mga kasama na kababayan nating mga Pilipina dyan. And yan, nakakatuwa lang kasi kahit maraming namatay o may mga pinatay, para sa kanila, it's a joke. No? So, yung 30,000 na namatay na datos galing sa PNP, 6,000 was from the police operation na sinasabi nilang nanlaban. And the rest are 24,000 na under investigation, which hindi natin alam kung ito ay pinatay ng riding in tandem, vigilantes, or rogue policeman dahil sa reward. Ay para sa iba nating kababayan, it's a joke. So, yung mga namatay na wala namang kinalaman sa war on drugs, para sa kanila, biro lang ni Tatay Digong yun. So, wag na kayong magalit. It's only a joke. Biro lang yun. Lambing lang yun ni Tatay Digong sa inyo. So, yun lang po. Hanggang dito lang po. Maraming salamat. Ito po inyong lingkod, Trunks Reacts Channel. God bless everyone. Keep safe.